In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a task management system in Notion, step by step, using Notion's built-in templates so you don't have to start from scratch. This is perfect if you want a clean, simple way to manage daily tasks, projects, and priorities all in one place. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, this setup will help you stay organized and productive. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the page where you want to add your task management system. This could be your private workspace or a specific team space. Once you're there, look near the top of the page title and click on the small arrow next to it. This arrow opens additional options related to that page. After clicking the arrow, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on Templates. This will open Notion's template gallery, which is where you can find pre-built systems created by Notion and the community. Templates are a great way to save time because the structure is already done for you. Once the template gallery opens, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type in Task Management System. As you type, Notion will start showing relevant templates that match your search. These templates are designed for organizing tasks, deadlines, and workflows. From the search results, look for a template called Tasks Management System. When you see it, click on it to open the template preview. This preview shows you exactly what the task management system includes, such as task lists, status columns, and views like board or table layouts. After reviewing the template, click on the Add button. This tells Notion that you want to use this template in your own workspace. Notion will then ask where you want to add it. Next, click on Add to Private. This will add the task management system directly to your private workspace, so only you can see and edit it. In just a moment, the template will be duplicated into your Notion account. Now, your task management system is ready to use. You can start customizing it by renaming tasks, changing statuses, adding due dates, and organizing tasks based on priority. You can also create different views, like a Kanban board for visual tracking or a list view for simple task checking. Over time, you can adapt the system to match your exact workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created a task management system in Notion using a ready-made template without any complicated setup. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.